Hi to everyone, this is Deepak. In this video, we see the concept of balance scorecard. The balance scorecard name gives the meaning. The word balance implies the financial and non-financial measure, and the scorecard refers an employee or a business unit towards a specified goal. Balance scorecard is a strategic performance management tool, a well-structured report that translated the vision and mission of the organization into their action. The system provides feedback on internal business process and external outcome to improve in their organization performance. And the result, Robert Kaplan and David Norton created the balanced scorecard and approached in early 1990s. Most of traditional management system focus only on the finance performance of the organization. That does not give the current status of the organization. It gives the past performance. In 1919, Kaplan and Norton lead a research study about number of company with the purpose of exploring new method of performance measurement. Then they settle on the idea of scorecard furthering performance measurement that capturing the activities about customer issue, internal business process, employment activities, shareholder of the organization. It was developed in 1992. Balanced scorecard it is used by the manager to keep track the activity of the staff within their control and to monitor the consequence arising from this action that extensively used in the business and industry, government and non-profit organization among the worldwide to align their business activity by their vision and strategy of the organization and monitor their organization performance against the strategic goal. In 2020 survey, 88% of respond using balanced scorecard for their strategic implement management and 66% for operation management. The balanced scorecard is used by both small and large organizations. 61% respond had less 50 employees, 500 employees, and 9% had over 10,000 employees. Balanced scorecard is also used by individual to track personal information. Balanced scorecard from finance and non-finance perspective, like internal perspective, customer perspective, innovation and learning perspective. Finance perspective shows how we look to our shareholder, look like cash flow, sales growth, operating income, return on equity. Internal business perspective identify what we must excel in. Excel in cycle time, unit cost, new product introduction, innovation and learning perspective. Describe how can we continue to improve and create the value that improve in employment skill, learning and training to employment and manage the system feedback from customer perspective, how the customer see us, example percentage of sales from new product, deliver the product on time, and customer tells us how the company is performed, where it's need to perform to improve. Let us look the four business perspective. Start by the defining our vision and mission. Then look at the key performance indicator from four different perspectives. Each of the perspective contains four subpart consisting with objective that deal what strategy objective you have to measure as how progress for the particular objective will be measured. 3. Target. What are target you set for this objective? 4. Initiative. What initiative you take towards the particular objective? Now let us understand four perspective in detail with example in manufacturing industry. First, in finance perspective, what the financial goal are decided by the shareholder point of view. Financial perspective are easy to define and measure. Let into the four sub perspective. One, objective. My objective to increase sale and reducing the cost. Second, measure. I will measure through finance statement. Third, target. I target it to increase 50% in net sale and 10% decrease in operating cost. Fourth initiative, negotiative with supplier about product rate. Second one, customer perspective, how to achieve our vision and how should we appear to our customer. First objective, my objective to produce variety of new project. Second measure, it measure launch new product should increase in every quarter by 50%. Third target, number of product launched per quarter. Fourth initiative, create an innovation and development committee. Third one, internal process perspective, mainly focus on innovation, operation, and service to the innovation customer future needs. Objective, able to develop new constantly. Second measure, it measure through project innovation report. Third initiative, acquiring specific software for managing product development. Fourth one, learning and growth perspective, to improve our vision, how to sustain our ability to change. First one objective, to improve employee knowledge and skill. Second one measure, it measure through employee effectiveness. Third one target, it target 95% of employee development. Fourth one initiative, on job and training development plan. Advantage of balanced scorecard. First one, it gives the real and complete view of business strategy. Second one, it is used for encouraging long-term organization. Third one, balanced scorecard contains individual work to organization work. Fourth one, it is make easy to communicate with an organization. Disadvantage of balanced scorecard, need to update thoroughly on regular basis to stay on relevant. Second one, it requires more data and difficult to balance all perspective. Third one, lot of resource needed to measure and a vast amount of data for KPI. The critical characteristic of balanced scorecard, it focus on strategic agenda of the organization. It focus on the set of measurement to monitor their performance against objective. It gives the profitability of incentive designed to impact performance of the measure and objective. By balanced scorecard, create a right balance of organization in their vision. Where this condition apply, organization use balanced scorecard reporting the software to automate the production and distribution of this report. It is the mechanism that help the management to track down the performance of the organization by their own. It is also known as strategic management tool. Thank you.